Okay, so we're going to install a AMA Engineering RC angle lock for the Flysky Noble, but this time for the large angle version, just released. So because the larger angles, the steering arm is going to end up well past this point, so we're going to have a slightly different design for these so you can still lock it down. So first, for this example, we're going to do 50 degrees. So it's about there. So this is 50-degree angle. So first what we're going to do is just start the interior screw. That's going to tighten things up and speed things up here and using an electric screwdriver. Just need to get that started, and inside of this surface we've got our little locking jaw here. They usually have the print up on the top. They're a little hard to read. In this case it's symmetric, so it doesn't really matter, but still we put the up on top. And then from here you just kind of, you can slide it in from the bottom. It's actually pretty easy for these ones, and if you need to jiggle the arm a little bit, you can to fit the slot, but in this case it fits really good. So what I like to do here is just snug that screw that you put in just a touch, and that'll just hold the piece in. You'll still fall out if you push it, but it'll hold it in nicely. So then the top of the clamp, you want to fit this into this area here, which is, it's going to be just a little snug. It takes a little, sometimes you have to work it a little bit, but I like to angle it just a little bit and kind of just squeeze it together. All right, there you have it. Okay, from here I like to put this side screw in first because I feel like it kind of centers everything nicely right here on the side. This one goes straight in. I'm going to use the electric driver just to speed it up. But I do want to snug up the end of it by hand, just so that I'm not over tightening or I'm not stripping the screw. Okay, from there I want to put the screw in from the top, this one right here. This one I can get in pretty quickly by hand. Oh, I see. Let's start to spread. I missed the hole. Okay, that's snug. Okay, and then from here, once it's on, I like to back this one out just a little bit, and then you take the longest screw, which is the 12 millimeter, and that's for this point here, and it's going to just come in at an angle. So this screw and the first one are for just adjustment for the jaw. You can see it's already pretty solid at this point, but I like to just have this on there as well. What you're going to do is you're just going to bottom it out, and you'll feel it bottom out that jaw, and maybe just another 1/8 to 1/4 turn. Squeeze that jaw into the side of the steering arm, and you can just go ahead, also tighten the inside one just a little bit as well. Okay, there we have it. Now it's got a 50-degree lock on there that is not going anywhere. Thanks for watching.